Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talk about OOP, which stands for Object-Oriented Programming. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and share this video. As you can see here, the code gets longer, so it gets more complicated as well. So in the OOP, object-oriented programming, they have this concept which is called abstractions. The idea of abstractions is, instead of having a very long code in one class, we can break that class into many different classes. So as you can see here, the code gets longer and it gets more complicated, and we don't really want that to happen because it's going to be hard to maintain. So in the OOP, object-oriented programming, they have this concept abstraction. What abstraction means? Let's see in the following example. Instead of having a very long class with too many functions, we can break this class into many different classes. For example, we can have class 2 and it has some functions related to it, and then class 3 as well, and it has its functions, and we can call those two classes by creating an object. For example, we can get access to these functions by creating an object of class 2, and it's pretty much the same for class 3. Also, we can create an object and get access to these functions. So that's the idea of abstractions.